Be quiet. Shh. You don't wanna wait the line up.
Oh no.
You don't wanna